Move to next problem. Here in the numerator there is square root and the denominator is square root. So you have to double rationalize it. That means you have to multiply the conjugate in the numerator as well as the denominator. First of all, look at the numerator. It is in a minus b form, so you have to multiply it with its conjugate. So 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x into 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Now look at the denominator. It is in square root also. So 1 plus x cube by root over of 1 plus x. It is in a minus b form. So you have to multiply it with its conjugate. So a plus b. So a 1 plus x cube plus 1 plus x. So you have multiplied this thing extra in the denominator. So you have to multiply the same in the numerator. So 1 plus x cube plus 1 plus x. Now you have multiplied this number in the numerator. So you have to multiply the same quantity in the denominator. So you have to multiply in the denominator by 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Now look, a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So limit x tends to 0. Root over of 1 plus x square whole square minus 1 plus x whole square into 1 plus x cube plus 1 plus x. In denominator, a minus b into a plus b. So you can write root over of 1 plus x cube whole square minus root over of 1 plus x whole square into 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Now root get cancelled. So here 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x. Here you get 1 minus x cube minus 1 minus x. And here you can write root over of 1 plus x cube by 1 plus x, 1 plus x square by root over of 1 plus x. So limit x tends to 0. 1 get cancelled. X square, here it will be 1 plus x cube, x square minus x. So you can write x square minus x into root over of 1 plus x cube plus 1 plus x. Here x cube minus x, 1 plus x. So from this you can take x common, from this you can take x common. So limit x tends to 0, x into x minus 1 into root over of 1 plus x cube plus root over of 1 plus x. Here you can take x common. So x into x square minus 1 into 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Now x tends to 0, so x get cancelled as x not equals to 0, so x get cancelled. So in the numerator you can write limit x tends to 0, x minus 1 by x square minus 1 into 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x, here 1 plus x square, 1 plus x. Now if we put x equals to 0, to find the limiting value, you will get minus 1 into root over of 1 plus root over of 1. Here minus 1 into root over of 1 plus root over of 1. So finally you get 1, and this is the limiting value of the given limit. So one thing you have to keep in mind, that when the numerator and the denominator both are in irrational form or both are having square root, you have to double rationalize it. That means you have to multiply the numerator by its conjugate and you have to multiply the denominator by its conjugates. And after rationalizing, just cancel the term which is tending to 0. Here x tends to 0, so I am cancelling x. Now put x equals to 0 to find the limiting value and your result is done.